Hey folks, it's Russ Fyer. Today is Thursday, April 17th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I wasn't planning on doing a video this morning, but Tina and I are going to a play tonight, and I don't know what time we're going to get out of that. It's the Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. So I'm super excited about that. And so I just thought I would shoot a video on my way over to check the soap shop and talk to you about accountability and really what it takes to become part of not only the 2% club in marketing, but the 1%. Because the 2% club, anybody who puts a little bit of work and effort into their online business can join the 2% club. In order to join the 2% club, you have to refer 10 people into your opportunity in your life, all right? Like just 10 people. And 98% of people can't even do that, because 98% of the people never take any action. And I see it all the time. People join me and they're excited for a week or two, and then they just fall off the face of the earth. They'll message me 100 times, ask me all kinds of questions. I help them get started. And for whatever reason, they just disappear. And that's not just for me, that's for everybody in the industry. All right? People sign up and join, and then people quit. And it's just absolutely, it blows my mind, because, if you're so excited to join a program and you so desperately want to supplement or replace your income, and then you have a perfect opportunity and chance to do so, and you take zero action and you just disappear. I just don't understand it. So what I've done is I put together some coaching, and I have a one-on-one monthly coaching program, and then I have a phone consult that you can get from me. All right, and with the phone consult, it's an hour phone call. It's $97. You get 1 hour with me. We will deep dive into what it is that you're looking to get out of your online business. Or maybe you don't even have an online business and you're looking to, start something online. So then I'll talk to you about my programs, but we'll talk about your goals, what you're looking for, and then I will come up with an action plan for you that will show you what to do every single day to help grow your business. And the thing is that you are accountable for taking the actions, for doing the steps. All right, and most people don't even do that. Most people you put together an action plan for, and they don't even complete the action plan. They might start off 1 or 2 days really doing it. They're really excited and motivated, and then after a week or two, nothing. So you can do a one-on-one phone call with me, $97. All right, and I'll help you get going. I'll help you get started, and then what I set up is for you to get comfortable taking action every day, so that it becomes part of your daily routine, so that it becomes a habit, so that when you wake up in the morning, say your business affirmation, thank the good Lord that you have another day, or whoever it is that you want to thank. Be thankful for another day, and then go and take your steps. And go through your steps and do that every single day. And when you start doing that, over time, it becomes a habit. And that's what separates, the 2% from the 98%. And the people that stick with this for more than a month, that separates the 2% from the 1%. Because the 1% people, they just do it every single day, like I do. I just show up every single day. I'm here for you guys every day. You can ask me questions every day. I'll get back to you. I'm here every day, showing up, taking action, staying consistent, and showing everybody what you have to do if you want to be successful in the work from home space, or anything in life. Anybody out there, anybody watching this video, I can guarantee you that if you show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent over the course of time, you can have success. All right, we're all at different levels of the game. So some people might have success a little bit quicker than others. Some people already have a huge following. Some people have no following. Some people are just getting started. So I'm just waiting for whatever this person's doing in my driveway. So I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. But you know, you want to be able to, if you really want it bad enough, like everybody who contacts me and they say, oh, I'm so tired of my job, I just want to do what you're doing and make money and not worry about anything. And then they go and they join, and then I don't get it that they only take action for a short time and then they're on to something else. You need to find somebody that is doing what it is that you want to do, or having success that you want to have, and you want to replicate what they're doing, okay? And that is exactly what I do. So in my phone call, we'll talk about your goals. We'll set up an action plan, something where you're going to see right out in front of you. You're going to go and log into this one site that I have, see all the steps that you're going to take every single day, and you just keep doing that, whether you want to or not. Every single day, do it, right? Over time, that's going to create habits for you that you're not even going to think about what it is you're doing. You're just going to know what to do. That's what builds successful people, okay? Now, my monthly coaching program, it's $297 a month. You're going to get a strategy call with me. That's an hour. We're going to talk about the same thing as on our coaching call, on my one-on-one coaching calls. We're going to go over what you're looking for, everything like that. I'm going to put together a 30-day action plan for you. You're going to get 4 weekly accountability calls from me. Those are half hour each. You're going to get a monthly overview call at the end of the month. That's 45 minutes. And then each day I'm going to check in with you, and I'm going to send you, some type of motivation, success tips, motivation strategies, things like that. Okay. But again, it's up to you to do the work. I'm just here to help you build an action plan that stays with you, that you can do in 30 days, that will help build your business and take it to the next level, okay? My pricing's very fair. All right? I know people that charge a lot more than this for what I'm doing, but I want to keep it affordable for everybody, and I also want to keep it at a price point where I'm working with action takers. I don't want to work with tire kickers, all right? I don't want people wasting my time, okay? So that's why I have it, $97 for a 1-hour phone consult. I think that's very fair. I think $297 a month for my coaching is extremely fair. And I think, if you're an action taker, if you don't even have to have a business. If you're just looking to start out, get in touch with me. I can help you grow a brand new business. If you already have a business and you're looking for ways to scale that, I can create an action plan for you that will help you do that. And then with me checking in every day, I'll hold you accountable so that you take action. Why wouldn't you want to take action? I don't understand why everybody gets so excited about joining a program, and then a week or two later, they're on to a new program. I used to do that back in the day, and I never got very far. It wasn't until 7-8 years ago when I started taking marketing very serious, and, to where I created a full-time income, all right? And anybody can do this. You don't have to be a special person. You don't have to have a huge email list. You don't have to be a marketing genius. None of that. The only thing you have to do is commit to the programs that you're in. Commit to yourself. Stay committed to showing up every single day. Take massive action every single day. And stay consistent. That is what separates those that make full-time incomes from those that never get anywhere with online marketing. Okay? So you can go to, there'll be a link down below this video for my coaching. All right. It's on fyercoaching.com. Fyer is F-Y-E-R. All right. It's my last name, first initial, reverse. Fyer, F-Y-E-R. On fyercoaching.com. And you can also join my newsletter on that site as well. So I send out newsletters with tips, information, motivation, videos that I make that I think are valuable for everybody. And, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. Anybody can do this, folks. Anybody can mail out postcards. Anybody can, you know, create a profile on Facebook and YouTube and grow their social media, and you can build your own brand. All right, and I'm here to help you do that. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, even though this was kind of an off-the-cuff video. I didn't really have anything put together for today, but I was planning to do a video tonight, but then like I said, we're going to a play, and I'm not sure what time we're going to be home. And so I thought while I was riding over to the shop here to check it out that I could just make this. But anyway, I want to help you out. It's my true passion. I've been doing this for the last 18 plus years, working in the work from home space. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time since 2018, and I am truly passionate about helping other people generate mailbox money through social media and direct mail marketing. All right, I want to help you out. That's what I'm here to do. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I hope you found value in my video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with it. Thanks for watching.